Hello, good morning to all of you. We are going to start the session for today. How are you all? Are you all fine? Okay. So we are going to start the lesson for today. So today we have to finish unit 7. Let's go to the museum. So you know what is a museum? හැමෝම දන්නවා මොකක්ද museum කියන්නේ කියලා. In Sri Lanka also we have different kinds of museum. In Ambalangoda you have a mask museum. I hope mask and puppet museum. I hope you all have visited it. Okay. This is about the places that you can visit around your country. Work in pairs. What can you see in this photo? What can you see in the photos? Which place do you think better to live and why? Now you have two questions. I'm going to ask these two questions from you all. What can you see in these two pictures? Which place do you think it is better to live in? So you want to give your own idea. So you can see the difference between these two pictures. What is it? First of all, you want to go through it. Okay, shall we start? Anybody can say what is this place? Yes? Any idea? Any idea?
First one has a rural area and second one has a town.
Very good. So first one has a village area, or we can say kind of a village you can see here. But when we take this picture, you can see a city. මේ picture එකේ පුතේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තියෙනවා city එකක් පේනවා ඇති හැමෝටම. So there are two different places. So where you can, that means where would you like to live? කොහෙද ඔයා ජීවත් වෙන්න කැමති? So you can give your own idea. Why would you like to stay there? ඇයි ඔයා එහෙ ජීවත් වෙන්න කැමති? So you want to give your own idea. Who is going to start? Which place would you like to stay and why would you like to stay there? Yes, let's start from Asmita. Can you say where would you like to live? In a village or a city? Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, can you tell me where? Yes.
I like to stay village area because I like to spend my freedom.
Yes, okay, good. So it's very calm and quiet and you can have a freedom as well. Okay, next one, Hasandi. Hasandi, can you tell me where would you like to live? Which place? Village or a city? No idea. I hope all of you can hear me. Hasandi Amalpa.
Teacher.
Yes, can you tell me which place do you think is better to live?
Picture A.
Uh-huh.
Because it is a village area.
Okay.
It is good life in the village area.
You can have a good life in the village area. Okay. All right. So next one, Gagani, can you tell me your opinion? What is your opinion?
I like to live in the village because it is full with natural environmental things.
Good. All right. Good. Natural environmental things. So natural surrounding is there, so you can live very peacefully, right? Okay. Next one, Navanjana Kavindi, what is your answer, Buddha? What can you say about that? Yes.
This
Continue, Navanjana.
I like to live in village because that nature is very beautiful.
Nature is very beautiful. Okay. Netmi Divyanjali, what about you? What is your idea?
I like live in village area
Okay.
because I think it is very beautiful.
All right. Okay. Next one, Ruvit. What about you, Ruvit and your brother both? What is your idea about it? What can you say about that? Ruvit and brother both? No idea. Hello, Ruvit, can you hear me? Okay, there's a problem with something, I think. Okay, Shatika, what about you, Shatika? Where would you like to live? In a village or a city?
I like to village side because they are very calm and quiet, and everywhere have trees. I like it.
Good. Okay. It's a calm and quiet place and you can live peacefully, right? Next one, Sanuri. What about you, Sanuri?
I like to live village area
Okay.
because it's naturally good.
All right. Naturally good. Okay. Next one, Tilosha. What about you? Tilosha. Shehani Aisha.
I like live in village because I can live with nature and it's healthy for us.
Good. Okay. Anuji, what about you? What is your idea about that?
I like to live in village area because it is a beautiful environment.
It has a beautiful environment. Okay. Then Sarasi.
I like to live in a village because I can have a good life in a village.
Okay. Sarasi Satsarani.
I like to live in village area because their peoples are very enjoyable.
People. Yes. People are enjoyable. Okay. Then who hasn't given the answer? Shatika, have you given the answer, Puta? Akhil? One of you have given, I can't remember the name. Yes, Akhil?
I like living village area. It is very beautiful.
Okay, it's very beautiful. All right. I hope most of you have given. Chanuti? What about Chanuti?
I like live in urban area because
Yes.
it has so many facilities to us.
Okay, so one of the answer is differ from all. So she has given the urban area because she can get most of the facilities at that place. Okay, all right. So different ideas are here. So village is very calm and quiet, and also you can get environmental things. That means those are very natural feelings. And the other one, when we take about this, it's cleaner and safer, and people are more friendlier than the people who live in urban areas, right? Then it's quiet, so we can live very peacefully. But when we take the city, so we have a lot of work to do, and we can experience more things. ගොඩාක් experiences ගන්න පුළුවන් ස්ථානයක් තියෙනවා නම් city එක. So we can do new things. That means that we haven't done before. අපි මීට කලින් නොකරපු අත්දැකීම් ලබා ගන්න හැකියාව තියෙනවා. Exciting, and also better shops. You know, you can shop everything from the city area. But when we comes to the village area, we haven't get that facilities, but the calm and quiet environment, and we can live very happily. So when we take the city people, they are getting a little bit busier than the village people because they have more work to do, and they are much enjoying as well, but not much calm. Like a calm naha. Namuth village එක ගත්තහම they are having a calm mind as well. Okay, listen to Ellie and Roti talking about where they live. So where do they live? You should write the answer here. You can write it in front of each question. Why do they like it? කොහෙද ජීවත් වෙන්නේ? Why do they like it? එයාලා ඒකට කැමති. So we are going to listen and write the answer.
Unit 7. Starting off. Exercise 2.
We moved to this little village last year, and I like it. I can cycle to my friend's house through the beautiful countryside, and my parents don't worry about me because there isn't much traffic, so it's very safe. All the families here know each other. There is only one cafe, but the coffee is good. It's also very quiet. Some people say it's boring, but I don't agree. I like it.
Dad bought a flat in the city 2 years ago, and I love it here. It's a really exciting place to be, because there's always something to do. Okay, it's a bit noisy, some areas are a bit ugly, and it can be a bit dangerous, especially at night. But I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. I love living in a big city.
Listen again.
Unit 7. Starting off. Exercise 2.
We moved to this little village last year, and I like it. I can cycle to my friend's house through the beautiful countryside, and my parents don't worry about me because there isn't much traffic, so it's very safe. All the families here know each other. There is only one cafe, but the coffee is good. It's also very quiet. Some people say it's boring, but I don't agree. I like it.
Dad bought a flat in the city 2 years ago, and I love it here. It's a really exciting place to be, because there's always something to do. Okay, it's a bit noisy, some areas are a bit ugly, and it can be a bit dangerous, especially at night. But I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. I love living in a big city.
All right, you can see Ellie, where she lives. Ellie, you have heard it. So what can you say about Ellie? Yes, have you heard it? Where does she live? You can give answers, but no need to be dumb, right? Yes, she lives in a village. She lives in a village. Rory lives in a city. හැබැයි Rory කියන boy, එයා ජීවත් වෙන්නේ flat එකක, that's in a city. So Ellie likes this because it's safer and quiet. Ellie කැමති මේ place එකට ගොඩාක් safer, ආරක්ෂිතයි, ඒ වගේම තමයි quiet. හරිම නිශ්ශබ්දයි. But the boy likes to the city because it's exciting because he can do a lot of things, a lot of new things. He can experience those kind of things from in the city. So that those are the two places that they are live. Ellie lives in a village and Rory lives in a city. She likes it because it's safe and quiet. Rory likes it because it's exciting. Rory likes it because it's exciting. Okay. All right. I hope you all have written the answers. Have you all written the answers? Nobody answers now. So you have to talk, okay? This is also just like a classroom. So if you haven't answered, that means I can't understand whether you can understand it or not. Understand කරගන්න පුළුවන්ද බැරිද කියලා මට understand නෑ පුතේ. ඒ නිසා ඔයගොල්ලෝ කතා කරන්න. So no need to worry about that. Think that this is also your classroom. Right. Next one. Here are some adjectives. You know what are adjectives? Tell me what are adjectives. Yes, tell me what are adjectives. දැන් පොඩි පන්තියට යවන්න වෙනවා.
Expression the noun.
Yes, that is qualifies a noun. Good. Qualify කරනවා කියන්නේ පුතේ අපි නාම පදයක් විශේෂ කර දැක්වීමට යොදා ගන්නා පදය. Tree, it's a big tree. විශාල ගස. Flower, beautiful flower. So නාම පදය මොකද කරන්නේ? නාම පදය qualify කරනවා adjective එක. So I'm not going to teach these things. Adjectives we have already completed. So you know that very well. Adjectives දාන්න නිසා teacher කියන්නේ නැහැ. So මෙතන බලන්න. Here are some adjectives that Ellie and Rory used. Match each one with its opposite. So they have given 4 words here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words here. So you want to match the opposite word. First one has done for you. Beautiful. The word is ugly. Opposite word is ugly. So safe, quiet, boring. So what are the words you want to match these with? You want to give the answers. Now I am not going to give you answers today onwards. You have to answer. All answer කරන්න ඕනේ. Teacher answers දෙන්නේ නැහැ දැන්.
Dangerous.
Yes, safe, dangerous. Good. Safe, dangerous. All right. Next one. Quiet. Safe කියන්නේ ආරක්ෂිතයි, dangerous කියන්නේ අනාරක්ෂිතයි. Yes, quiet, noisy. Quiet කියන්නේ නිශ්ශබ්දයි, noisy කියන්නේ ഘോഷාකාරී. Boring. What do you mean by boring? කම්මැලි නේද? Boring කියලා කියනවා අපි කම්මැලි. එහෙනම් මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? Village එක ටිකක් boring events නැහැ. ඒ නිසා boring ගොඩක් වෙලාවට. Then exciting. Good. Exciting. මෙතන තියෙනවා පුතේ little and big. Little කියන්නේ කුඩා, big කියන්නේ විශාලයි. So you can take these two as well. Little and big. Okay, so you can see opposite words of each adjective. Adjectives වල opposite words එක දීලා තියෙනවා. Right. Then මම මෙන්න මෙහෙම කියනවා. You want to tell about the village and also the town by using these adjectives. You can see 2 example sentences. My village is a my village is a bit boring. මගේ village එක ටිකක් විතර boring අර කම්මැලි. මොකද events නැහැ, කරන්න දේවල් නැහැ. My town is beautiful. හැබැයි මගේ town එක ලස්සනයි. So can you tell me 2 sentences by using these 2 adjectives? Anybody? Who is going to do the first one? You want to talk now? The last exam I felt you haven't practiced yet. Practice කරලා නැහැ ගොඩක් කට්ටිය. මොකද අර speaking session එක අඩු වෙලා තියෙනවා. කතා කරන ප්‍රමාණය අඩු වෙලා තියෙනවා. ඒ නිසා පුළුවන් තරම් කතා කරවන්න තමයි වෙන්නේ because මොකද අපි ඉංග්‍රීසි ඉගෙන ගත්තට වැඩක් නැහැ. අපිට කතා කරගන්න බැරි වුණොත් ඉන්ටර්විව් එකකට ගිහිල්ලා අහන ප්‍රශ්නකට උත්තර දෙන්න බැරි වුණොත් වැඩක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. අපි course එකක් කරලා තියෙනවා, certificate එකක් අරන් තියෙනවා, but we cannot speak. ගොඩාක් අය ඉන්නවා එහෙම courses තියෙනවා, dictation තියෙනවා ඒවට හොඳටම කරලා තියෙනවා course එක. නමුත් මොකද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? They can't speak. Why is that? They haven't practiced it. Practice means ඔයාලට ගෙදරදිත් කතා කරන්න බැරි කමක් නැහැ. ඔයාලා කතා කරන්න එතකොට අනිත් අය සමහර අය ඉතින් අක්කලා අයියලා මල්ලිලා ඉන්නවනම් පොඩ්ඩක් hina වෙයි. ඒකට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. That is not important. What you want to do here is you want to practice it. So I hope you all can do that. හැමෝටම කරන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් මම එදා feel වෙච්ච එක තමයි speaking එකේදී you can do something but you haven't the practice. That means you haven't practiced it. ඔයාලා practice එක කරලා නැති නිසා තමයි ප්‍රශ්නයක් වුනේ. Right, who is going to tell 2 sentences by using these adjectives? First
My
one.
village.
Yes.
My village is quiet. My town is very noisy.
Good. My village is quiet. My town is noisy. Good. Who is the next one? Everyone, please give the answers.
My village is safe, but my town is dangerous.
Yes, my village is safe, but my town is dangerous. Okay, good. Next. Others?
My village is so quiet and my town is too noisy.
My village is quiet and my town is too noisy. Good. Who is the next?
My village is beautiful. My
Yes.
town is very big.
Yes, my village is beautiful and my town is big. Good. Others? What about the others?
My village is safe and my town is too dangerous.
Good. My village is safe, but my town is too dangerous. All right. Next. Is that all? Okay, some of you have given the answers. Others also want to give because this is the only, that means this is the chance that you can get to talk, right? Okay, then look at this. Reading and writing part 1. You know reading and writing part 1. What will you get? You will get notices, emails, text messages, and you want to choose the correct answer. So as you read each text, try to decide what situation it appears in. ඔයාලා text හැම එකක්ම read කරනවා. එතකොට මොකක්ද කියලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඒක appear කරගන්න මොනවාද කියලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ මුලින් අඳුන ගන්නවා. Always choose one answer even if you are not sure it is right. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම එක answer එකයි පුතේ ගන්න පුළුවන්. answers දෙකක් වාගේ හිතරෙනවා. මේකත් හරි මේකත් හරි. ඒත් underline කරන්න බෑ ඒ දෙකම. ඔයා එකයි අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම underline කරන්න ඕනේ. That is an exam advice. Okay. Are there lots of places to go where you live? Make a list. Now, write 5 things that you can visit in your town. You want to write this in your writing book. So, when you write that, you want to put the page number and question number as well. Page number kai, question number kai dala, answer ka liyanna ඕනේ. Can you understand? So, you can go through this. 5 places that would you like to visit in your area. So most of you are in Ambalangoda and some of them were in Western Province as well, I hope. So you can use 5 places. You want to tell 5 places that you can visit in your area. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to write it by yourself. Let's start. All right, now please tell me what are the places that you have written first. Akhil, what are the 5 places that you can visit in your area? Five places. Not only the historical places or the other things, you can write the cafes, restaurants, those kind of places as well, right?
Temple.
Okay, continue, Akhil.
Temple.
Yes, temple. Aren't there any special places to visit in Ambalangoda? And ඔයාලා ඔක්කොම අයිති වෙන්නේ මං හිතන්නේ අම්බලන්ගොඩ ප්‍රදේශයට. සමහර අය තමයි මං හිතන්නේ වෙස්ටර්න් ප්‍රොවින්ස් ඉන්නේ. මොනවාද විශේෂ ස්ථාන තියෙන්නේ අම්බලන්ගොඩ? Yes. Others, have you written? Anita Livarada? No idea. මුකුත් නැද්ද යන්න අම්බලන්ගොඩ කොහෙවත් යන්නක් නැද්ද යන්න?
Public library.
Okay, public library. Where else? Yes.
Beach park.
Beach park.
Playground.
Playground. Yes. So there are a lot of museums as well, no? Aryapala Museum is there. That's about puppets and also masks. That is also an important place that you can visit. What else? Another thing.
Swimming pool.
Swimming pools. Yes, you can go and enjoy. Cafeterias, restaurants, those kind of cafes. No, there isn't any. There aren't any. නැද්ද මුකුත් එහෙම ඒවා අම්බලන්ගොඩ? දැන් කට්ටිය අම්බලන්ගොඩ කට්ටිය දැනගන්න එපා නේද? Western province ඉන්නව නේද කට්ටිය? කොහෙද යන්න පුළුවන් Western province? අනුජි සරසි තිලෝෂා Western province නේද පුතේ? සංචරණ සීමා තිබුණා නේද? කාට හරි මට මතක නැහැ කාට. I can't remember who is the person exactly. You can tell something. හැමෝම කියන්න ඕනේ. Yes, Shatika, what about you, Shatika?
Library.
Okay, library. What else? Tell me the 5 things that you have written. ලියපු පහ කියන්න බලන්න. එකක් නෙමෙයි පහක් ලියන්න ඕනේ. කියන්නේ මං කිව්වේ මේක list කියලානේ. At least you want to write 5 things. අඩුම තරමේ පහක් ලියන්න ඕනේ. So tell me the 5 things that you have written in your book. All of you. හැමෝම කියන්න ඕනේ. එහෙනම් හරියන්නේ නැහැ වගේනේ. කතා කරන්න නැති අයට නම් punishment දෙන්න වෙනවා. ඔක්කොම කතා කරන්නේ නැහනේ. Yes, Ruvit and Rivit. What are the 5? Yes.
Library.
Okay.
Temple.
Okay.
Cafe.
Okay.
A beach park.
All right. Brother, what about brother?
Library.
Okay.
Cafe.
Yes.
Beach park.
Okay.
Temple.
Okay.
Puppet museum.
All right. Okay. So according to the relevant area, you can say different kinds of things. When I'm talking about my area, I can visit to Kanda Viharaya, then Second one is Brief Garden. That's a kind of a beautiful garden with a lot of things, especially about architectural value. And when we take the third one, I can visit to the beach. That is also very beautiful one surround my area. So those are three things that is special in my area. So you can say different kinds of things that is special in your area. So I'm going to show you a small video. So it's a small video that you can visit, especially the different places that you can visit in the world. ලෝකේ පුරා ගත්තොත් මොනවාද ලස්සනම ස්ථාන තියෙන්නේ අපිට visit කරන්න. So go through this and I'm going to ask what are the things you can visit. ඔයාලා කැමති ඔයාලා දැක්ක places වලින් මොනවාටද ඔයාලා යන්න කැමති කියලා මම අහනවා. Okay? So you want to tell what are the places that would you like to visit. So notice or note down the places that would you like to visit around the world. Right? Video එක බලන ගමන් note down කරගන්න. හැමෝම කියන්න ඕනේ තමන් මේ places වලින් මොන place එකටද යන්න කැමති කියලා. It's compulsory, right? හැමෝම කියන්න ඕනේ. Can't be stay like dumb, right? Can you see the video? Video එක පේනව නේද හැමෝටම?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
All right. All right, you have seen 49 places in the world. So you have seen Sri Lankan places as well. So what is the place that you have seen from Sri Lanka?
Tea field in Dieluma Fall.
Yes, Diulama Falls in Koslanda. So I will go back to that. Where was it? Yes, this is Diulama Falls, that is from Sri Lanka, that is also has included into these 49 places around the world. So it's located in Koslanda, Sri Lanka. All right, now have you seen different kinds of places that you would like to visit? What is the best place that you can visit? Yes, you can see the falls here. Okay, now tell me, what is the place that would you like to visit from these 49 places? Have you noted down something, or would you have some kind of favorite thing that would you like to visit? Video එක බලද්දි ඔයාලට හිතිච්ච place එක මොකක්ද කියලා teacher අහන්න පුතේ. So there were 49 places, so you can give what kind of place that would you like to visit? No place? කාටවත් නැද්ද place එක?
I like to visit Petra in Jordan.
Petra, good. Yes, you can visit. You would like to visit Petra. Well done. Others, what about the others?
I like to visit Mariana Lake in Canada.
Canada, okay. Mariana Lake in Canada. Well done.
I like the in Japan.
Japan, okay.
I like to visit the Bridge in Germany.
Germany, okay.
I like to visit Petra.
I like this.
Jordan.
Okay, Akhil, Petra.
Jordan.
Okay, next Chanuti.
I like this every places, but I most like Khao Fall in Badan in Philippines.
Okay, good. So Philippines. Yes, you have seen the different kinds of pictures there, right? Well done. Others, what about the others? Others, nobody likes to go any other places?
I like to visit Rainbow Village in Indonesia.
Okay, Rainbow Village. You have seen that different kinds of colorful villages was there, right? Good. Wherever. There were a lot. ගොඩක් තිබුණා. ඔයාලගේ හිත ගිය එක මොකක්ද කියලා තමයි මේ අහන්නේ ටීචර්. යන්න හැකියාව ලැබෙන්න පුළුවන් බොහෝ දුරට. සමහරට යන්න බැරි වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒත් අපිට හිත ගියා වෙන්න පුළුවන් මේක දකිද්දි. So what kind of place is that?
I like to live in Kawasan Falls.
I couldn't hear Buddha. Yes.
I like to live in Kawasan Falls.
Okay, Amazon Falls. What about the others?
I like to visit Bengali Sea Cave.
Bengali?
Sea Cave.
Okay. All right, I will go like this. Then I will explain few of them like this by looking at the pictures. So Antelope Canyon, you can see this canyon. It's a little bit, not little bit, it's very beautiful. It's in Arizona, US, United States. You can see that's kind of a cave, right? Okay, next one. Number 2. Salada Uyuni කියන place එක පුතා, it's in Bolivia. That's kind of a very cold place. Next one, coldest city in the world. So you can see it's in Russia. It's in Russia. These are boulders, Moraki boulders කියලා තමයි යන name වෙන්නේ. So it's in New Zealand. It's in New Zealand. So number 5, Cappadocia. So it's in Turkey, in central Turkey. It's in central Turkey. That is number 5. Then number 6, Kawasan Falls. So you can see that in the Philippines. You can see it in the Philippines. Number 7, you can see lots of tulip fields. Godak mal තියෙනවා tulip කියන මල. That's in Netherlands. That's in Netherlands. So number 8, you can see natural pools of Milpu. So it's in Peru. That's also a beautiful country. Then that's a national forest, which is in China. This is a national park, which is in Brazil. You can see that's very beautiful. Next one, Giant's Causeway. So it's in Northern Ireland. That's in Northern Ireland. I hope most of you have seen those pictures when you go through those, that means when you find something from the internet. Bengali Sea Cave. That is also a nice place. So that's in Portugal. Number 13, you can see Rainbow Village. That's in Indonesia. That's a colorful place. Number 14, you can see Flower Park. That's in Japan. Number 15 is Figure 8 Pools. It's in South Wales, Australia. New South Wales wala tamai tiyenne, and it's in Australia. Number 16, Blue Grotto. It's in Italy. That's also a kind of a nice cave with with water. Number 17, you can see Golden Bridge, which is in Nepal. Have you seen this before? I hope most of you have seen this because of its architectural value. Architectural value this is located in Vietnam. And this is also Cascade del Molino. That's a kind of a pool. So it's also in Italy. It's also in Italy. Number 19, Great Blue Hall. You can see that's very beautiful. Belize city and also country is also Belize. Petra. In Jordan. 21. It's a beautiful beach. In Greece. 22, you can see Blue Lagoon, which is located in Iceland. 23, Batu Caves. That's also a kind of caves in Malaysia. 24 is also a historical place that's in Cambodia. 25, Panamina, which is located in India. 26, Thermas Geometricus, which is in Chile. Jellyfish Lake, that's also a very beautiful place if you can visit. Yes, it's in Malk Island, Palau. Devil's Den Spring කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා පුතා. That's a kind of a cave. ඒක වට වෙලා තියෙනවා. ඒක ඇතුලේ වතුර තියෙන්නේ. So you can go inside it, and this is also in Florida, United States. This is Puerto Rico. That's also a kind of a nice place. 30, Moraine Lake, which is in Canada. 31, kind of a place that has windmills, which is in Netherlands. 32. Devil's Pool, which is in Zambia. Next one, 33. That's a double-decker living root bridge. ඔක්කොම මුල් වලින් තමයි ගහේ හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ පුතා එක. You can see that that's differ, which is in India. Then hot springs, මෙච්චර ගොඩාක් සීතල area එක hot springs තියනවා කියලා කියනවා. So Turkey, 35. Rainbow Mountains, you can see that's kind of a different colors are there. 36, you can see Lake Kandy. 37, tea fields, Alla, Sri Lanka. Tea fields, Sri Lanka, එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලෝ visit කරලා ඇති මේ ප්‍රදේශයට Alla. So that is well known place in Sri Lanka. 38, Arizona in US. This is in Switzerland. That is also a very beautiful country, Switzerland. Then Riverfall is here, Jamaica. 41, Ha Long Bay, which is in Vietnam. That's also very beautiful. 42, you can see Devil's Bridge. You can see there's a bridge and it's kind of a circle. මේ පැත්තෙන් බැලුවම අපිට ඈතට පේන circle එකක් වගේ. That's kind of a bridge which is in Germany. 43. It's also a kind of a coldest place that is in Norway. Dialuma in Sri Lanka. Koslanda. So there's another glacier here. I hope you all can see it's in Iceland. And next on 46, Blue City. It's known as Blue City. I think films වල වගේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැකලා ඇති මේක හරි ලස්සනයි මොරොක්කෝ වල. Most of the films have got the that means they are getting this place to shoot their films. It's in Morocco. It's a beautiful place. Then Maldives, you have seen this as well. මේකත් ගොඩාක් දුරට ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැකලා ඇති Maldives. ගොඩාක් famous place එකක්. And this is about Mexico. Last one, 49, which is in Italy. That is also a very beautiful place when you can see from the above. Okay, so those are 49 places that you can visit all around the world. Those are very beautiful as well. ගොඩක් ලස්සන තැන් ටිකක් තියෙනවා. දැන් අම්බලන්ගොඩ visit කරන්න places පහක් කිව්වහම කිව්වේ බොහොම අඩුවෙන් නේද? ලස්සන තැන් නෙවෙයි මම හැවුවේ මොනවද visit කරන්න පුළුවන් තැන් places පහක්. So you have to go through them. අද ගිහිල්ලා බලන්න කොහෙද යන්න පුළුවන් කියලා. අම්බලන්ගොඩ or else Gaul. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ පැත්ත ගත්තාම Gaul වල තියෙනවා ගොඩක් තැන් visit කරන්න. So Kanneliya Rainforest is there. Then Gaul Fort is there. So there are different kinds of places. You can go through it and make a list. You can write a list of places that you can visit there. ඔයාලට යන්න පුළුවන් තැන් වල පුතේ list එකක් ලියන්න ඕනේ. ඔතන space එක තියාගන්න ඒ ටික complete කරන්න. Okay, then you have seen a video about different kinds of places that means that you can visit all around the world. Look at this notice. Match the underlined phrases with their definitions. So you can see they have underlined special offers and half price. So there are 2 points they have already highlighted here. What you want to do here is you want to find answer for question 1 and 2. Something that is cheaper for a limited time. So what is it? What can you say about that? Yes, what do you mean by that? මොකද්ද මේ කියලා තියෙන්නේ?
Special offer.
Yes, very good. That is about special offer. Then answer 1, special offer. Costing 50% less. Sorry, 50% less. ඒ කියන්නේ 50%ක් අඩු වෙනවා කියන්නේ that is half price. Half price කියන්නේ එයාගේ price එකෙන් හරි අඩක් නැත්නම් භාගයක් කියන එක. එහෙනම් first one it's a special offer. Second one is half price. Choose the correct answer, A, B, or C. Now we want to read this and find the correct answer. Come to the Wellington Cafe today. Special offer, half price coffee, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Lunch, 12 to 2:30. So there are three answers. What are the three answers? The cafe is only open between 9 to 10 a.m. today. The menu has cheap meals before 12 o'clock. There is a time when you can get cheaper coffee. Now tell me what is the correct answer for this. What is the correct answer for this? Yes, choose the correct answer and let me know.
C.
Yes, very good. Answer is C. There is a time when you can get cheaper coffee. So answer is C. So circle that, Puta. That is the correct answer. So we are going to move to the next question. So you have 5 questions here. You want to choose the correct answer and circle it. Ikmata circle karanna one 1 to 5. So they have given you the passages and 3 answers as well. What you want to do here is you want to choose the correct answer. Shall we start? Are you ready? Okay, let's start, Puta. Write the correct answer. Sorry, circle the correct answer. So while you all are doing that, I'm going to take your attendance. Yes, Naduni Dinetya. Please unmute your microphone and say present, Puta. Naduni.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Sarasi Satsarani Silva.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Tilosha Tatsarani.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Next one, Akil Vishmita.
Present, teacher.
Chamatka. Senuri Chamatka. Senuri. I can see you, but can't hear. Sarasi Hansani Abe Vikrama.
Present, teacher.
Good. Dinath Tisijay Veeraratna. Dinath absent. Netmi Divyanjali.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Asmita Jayavira.
Teacher.
Okay. Anjali Sinetma Sumanavira.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Pruvit Situsanda Disilva. Pruvit. Yes.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Pamudi Amaya Disilva.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Shehani Ayesha.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Hasandi Amalpa.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Navanjana Kavindi.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Chehani Sankalpani.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Purni Amaya.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Pruvit Tenuvara Disilva.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Anuji Ishara Atukorala.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Netmi Shihana.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Gagani Umeda.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Chanuti Hansa.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Shatika Samudaya.
Present, teacher.
All right. All right. You have to complete question 1 to 5. Anybody is there who has finished it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So can you read the first sentence and read the answer as well, Puta?
First answer is A. Lara is
First read the
explained why she
question.
couldn't.
Question එක read
M.
Yes.
For each question, choose the correct answer.
Okay.
First, M. My class finished late, so I missed at 7:30 bus. Let's meet at the bus station at 8:30. We can catch the 8:40 bus. Lara.
Yes. Three
Answer
answers.
A. Answer A. Lara is explained why she couldn't catch the 7:30 bus.
Yes. Answer is A. Lara is explaining why she couldn't catch the 7:30 bus. Okay. My class finishes late, so I missed the 7:30 bus. Let's meet at the bus station at 8:30. යාගේ bus එක miss වෙනවා 7:30 ඒ නිසා යා 8:30 bus එකට එනවා. 8:30 bus station එකට එනවා. We can catch 8:40 bus. එතකොට there are 3 answers තියෙනවා තුනක් පුතේ. Lara is explaining why she couldn't catch 7:30 bus. Lara wants M to get 8:30 bus. Lara is letting M know that the last bus is 8:40. So the last two B and C answers are not relevant because she don't want to say something like that. She wants to explain why she couldn't catch the bus and how she is going to catch the next bus. Then answer is A. That is correct. Yes. Second one.
Hi Rachel, Mom bought our tickets online for the museum exhibition. Can you give me the money in class tomorrow? There are £10. Thanks, Joe. What should the Rachel do? Take some money to school tomorrow? Answer say.
Yes, answer is C. Okay, right. Hi Rachel. Mom bought our tickets online for the museum exhibition. Can you give me the money in class tomorrow? They are £10. Thanks, Joe. Okay. Then answer A. What should Rachel do? No, then there are 3 answers. A. Send an email to Joe's mom. B. Check the museum website for tickets. C. Take some money to school tomorrow. Then answer is C. So you want to circle the letter C. Okay, next on question 3.
Joe, I hope you're feeling better now. Our history homework is to write about the famous building that you like. Bring it to the next class, Shan. Why did Shan send the message? Answer B. He want to tell Joe about the homework.
All right, Joe, I hope you're feeling better now. Our history homework is to write about a famous building that you like. Famous building homework. Bring it to next class. Next class. So there are 3 answers. Why did Shang send this message? He wants to know what Joe is writing about. B. He wants to tell Joe about the homework. Homework පිළිබඳව. He wants to know why Joe missed class. So what is the answer? Answer is B. What is the answer? He wants to tell Joe about the homework. All right, let's move to the next question. Hospital visiting 2 to 4 p.m. 2 visitors per bed and no children under 7. So what is the answer that you have chosen? Yes, tell me what is your answer?
Answer C.
Yes, answer C. Good. Answer is C. Children under 7 can visit if they come with an adult. Adult කෙනෙක් આવොත් පුළුවන් කියලා කියනවා. B. No visitors can come into the hospital before 4 p.m. 4ට කලින් කිසිම visitor කෙනෙක්ට එන්න බෑ කියලා කියනවා. Last one, it's not possible for 3 or more people to visit at the same time. තුනක් හෝ තුනට වැඩි සංඛ්‍යාවක් එකම වර visit කිරීමට හැකියාවක් නැහැ. So that is the answer. Answer C. Answer C. Last one. Science museum trip. Any student interested in next week Wednesday's trip must give their names to Mr. Smith before Friday. Only 5 seats left on the bus. So you can choose the answer. What is the answer now?
Answer A.
Yes, very good answer is A. If you want to go on the trip, tell Mr. Smith soon. ඉක්මනින් කියන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. So answer B, the museum is not open on Friday. That is wrong. Only science students can go on trip. That hasn't mentioned there. So answer is wrong. So you want to go through answer 1. That means answer A. If you want to go on the trip, tell Mr. Smith soon. So that is the answer. Okay. All right. So I hope most of you have checked the answers. Check කරගන්න පුතේ ඔයාලගේ answers තියෙනවා. So තුනට answer එක. Third one answer, third question. Answer is B පුතා. Answer is B. Anuji and Sarasi. Answer is B. He wants to tell Joe about the homework. So that is the answer for question number 3. All right. Have you all finished? Okay, before I go to the grammar lesson, I will give you to read this passage and circle the verbs which are in past form. Read Sandra's blog. Where does she live now? Does she enjoy living here? මට මේකේ පුතා ඔයගොල්ලෝ underline කරන්න sorry මේ circle කරන්න ඕනේ past form of each verbs that they have given here. මෙතන දීලා තියෙන verbs වල past form එකෙන් දීලා තියෙන ඒවා circle කරන්න ඕනේ. හැබැයි මෙහෙමයි. Regular එකක් කියන්නේ අපි ed දාන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා. ඒ නිසා මම වැඩි explain කරන්න නැහැ because like කියන එකට ගත්තොත් ed දැම්මහම past form එකට convert වෙනවා liked. But when we take get, we can't say getted කියලා කියන්න බෑනේ. That has a irregular form of the verb. So that is got. ඒකට කියනවා අපි got කියලා. That is known as got. Because of that, you have to underline regular verbs. ed දාන්න පුළුවන් ඒවා underline කරන්න. Irregular ඒවා circle කරන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ ed දාන්න බෑ. Irregular ඒවා circle කරන්න. Okay, let's start. Circle the irregulars and regular තියෙන ඒවා underline කරන්න ඕනේ. Okay, let's start. Yes, but if it is past form, you can circle the negative forms as well. Negative form එක past form එකක් නම් අපි ඒක circle කරන්න. It doesn't matter.